Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the share button mapping on your PlayStation 5 controller when you're making video clips. Now this will make it a little bit easier so you can record video clips. So all I have to do is double tap this and it's going to start recording on the top. And then I can double tap again and it'll end the recording on the top. So the video clip has been saved. Otherwise I can hold this down and I can open up this screen and I can go on over to save recent gameplay right here, and then I can choose a number under here, like 30 seconds, 1 minute, or the full video. So this makes it a little bit easier to take screenshots as well. I just have to press this once, so it'll take a screenshot. So you can change this around from the default options by going up to settings right here, and then scroll on down to captures and broadcasts. Then go to shortcuts for a create button. So this is how it's set up. Press once, take screenshot, press and hold, display the create controls, then press twice, start or finish recording a new video clip. So you just have to change this on over from the standard, or you got the easy screenshots as an option as well. But I like easy video clips. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.